What is this? Is this really what my life has come to? I swallowed an entire starfish, and I don't know what to do now. You, over there, you cannot get my starfish, hence why I have it in my mouth. I can barely close my mouth, and I cannot eat the entire starfish. But I will not let you have it. It's mine. I'm now stuck here pondering what it is that I'm doing with my life. What are my entire life decisions? What am I to do now? I can't eat the starfish, but it is mine. So now I just stand here, contemplating everything. What to do now? I don't know. Maybe. No. I don't know what to do. I will. I'll just stand here for another couple hours. That guy can never have it. It is mine. Only mine.